In this video, I'm going to show you how to launch a meme coin on Raydium. Now, there's plenty of great tools out there. However, I personally recommend using Aries.tools, which will allow you to launch a meme coin directly on Raydium. The first thing you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on this button over here that does say select wallet. Make sure that you do connect your wallet before you even make a token. So let's go ahead and press on that. And then all you want to do is you want to go ahead and log in with your Phantom wallet or whatever wallet you do have. But the point is you want to make sure you log in, and more importantly, you want to make sure that you do have enough funds in order to actually create this token. So let's go ahead and just press on Phantom wallet like so. And then there you go. We are now connected. So I already did connect it previously. And if it's your first time ever connecting a wallet, then it is going to ask you to confirm it. So all you want to do is you want to press on the button that does say confirm. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and logged in with your Phantom wallet, now we can go ahead and start creating our token. For the token name, let's go ahead and give it the token name how to now, just for this video. But obviously, if you're making your very own meme coin, you want to make sure that it's something creative, something funny, something that people can actually remember. And the symbol is also really important. Make sure that you do come up with a symbol. So for this video, I'm just going to be calling it how to now YT, HTNYT, like so. Then you guys can go ahead and select on the amount of decimals. This is completely up to you. I'm just going to be putting the amount of decimals to 8 for this token. And then for token image, you want to go ahead and basically upload a logo that represents your token, something that actually, is catchy, it catches people's attention and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and upload an image really quickly. All right, guys, so I just got the image and here is the supply. You guys can go ahead and adjust this, but this is the default one. So I'm just going to leave it like that. Then for the token description, you want to go ahead and make a description that represents what this token is about. So for this video, I'm just going to be calling it something simple like how to now. But obviously, you want to go ahead and make a great description, something that's catchy and something that does captivate attention. Then you want to make sure that revoke freeze is turned on. Yep, as you're able to tell, it is turned on. And you guys have the option to revoke mint or revoke update. This is completely up to you. However, it is not necessary. I will warn you guys that if you do turn these on, it will actually cost you a bit more. So for this video, I'm just going to be turning it off. Then you want to make sure you press on this option that does say show more options. And over here, you want to go ahead and input the Telegram link, the website link, or the Twitter/X link. Now, this is incredibly important when it comes to creating meme coins. You want to make sure that you do create an active community that does support your coin, and that is going to bring you a significant amount of success and money. For this video, I don't actually have any of these links, but if you're making your own meme coin, then I suggest that you guys go ahead and put in like a Telegram link, a website link, or a Twitter link. But anyways, guys, once you went ahead and confirmed everything, all you want to do is you want to press on this button that does say create token. And whenever you do create your token, it might ask you to input your Phantom wallet password again. So make sure to go ahead and do that really quickly. And then it's going to ask you to confirm the transaction. So go ahead and just press on confirm. Do not worry, guys, it's completely safe. And now it will begin creating your token. And by the way, shout outs to Green Martin for providing these screenshots. But anyways, guys, once it went ahead and created the token, all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on close, but you guys also have the option to view it on SoulScan. So here we are in SoulScan, and you guys could basically view the token that you did create on Raydium, and you want to make sure that you do copy the token address. All right, but once you went ahead and created your token, you want to go ahead and press on this option that does say create liquidity. It is now going to open up Raydium. Now, where it says base token, you want to make sure that Solana is actually selected. Then where it says quote token, you want to go ahead and press on it like so, and then you want to paste in the token address over here, which we did copy previously in the video. So you just want to go ahead and paste it like so. For the initial liquidity, you can go ahead and put that to your liking, and same thing with the quote token, so you can go ahead and enter that in. And then over here, it is going to calculate your initial price based on these two numbers. Then you guys can go ahead and select on a free tier, so go ahead and select on whichever one is most convenient for you. And you want to go ahead and select on the start time. You guys could schedule this coin, or you can go ahead and press on start now. And then all you need to do is you need to press on initialize liquidity pool. Now, once you created your liquidity pool and your token, all you want to do is you want to wait around like 5 minutes in order for it to actually update on like exchanges like Dex Screener. And once it did pass, then you want to go ahead and just go ahead and press on the search, and then put in your token address right over here, and then you should be able to see it, and from there people can go ahead and start investing. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.